Breakfast.
Best breakfasts.
You know what? That's something I never thought of is like, what do Indian people eat for breakfast?
Yeah, because that's something that's very different around the world, and like even if you go to places that are similar to us in America, like you go to Europe, there's some places that the breakfast is a lot different.
Yeah, I mean like Italy, they basically just eat like a croissant or something for breakfast, and a coffee or an espresso or something, and then UK, they have like the beans and stuff
the
in their
beans
breakfast.
and toast.
Iceland, they got a lot of donuts.
They got a lot of donuts. Here it's like there's like waffles, French toast, pancakes type of thing.
Yeah.
And then once you get super far, like once you start getting to the east, then everything is very different. So what's the breakfast gonna be
Yeah,
like?
it's really should be very interesting.
They gotta be good.
They gotta be good. I wonder if it's...
India stuff is super good so far.
It seems like everything in India is like super savory. We haven't seen much sweet stuff.
That is true.
So I wonder if their breakfast will be sweet like in America. I mean, America has a weird thing where we eat very sweet things for breakfast.
Very.
It's like dessert for breakfast pretty much.
Yeah, you literally, even like cereal just doused in sugar. The pancakes, if you have them, there's already sugar in them, and then you just douse them with sugar syrup.
Yeah, so it should be interesting. I'm assuming it won't be like that here. Probably like,
not.
I wonder if it'll be eggs and stuff, but there's only one way to find out.
Watch the
it.
video.
If you enjoy, subscribe, like the video, and let us know what else we need to check out. We'll keep chunking these Indian food videos. This is really interesting to learn about the food and stuff
because
from
it's
all
so
these
different.
countries.
So it's cool to see, and it's always so cheap. It's interesting to see the price.
And we're going in different areas of India for the food too. Like this time we're in Punjabi, and it's really interesting to see the differences between that. And food is a big part of culture.
Food is a big part of culture.
People gotta eat. Let's do this. Here we go.
Super flaky on the outside. That is nuts. I love the texture already. And you're gonna grab some butter.
Yes, we'll take some.
I can't even wait, I'm sorry. Oh.
So that seems savory already.
Welcome to Amritsar in Punjab. This is North India, just a few miles away from the Pakistani border, home to the great Sikh Golden Temple and tons of world-class food, including street food that can be found almost anywhere.
This man has a restaurant on his bike.
Today we're gonna focus on a classic of Amritsar, chole, in all its glorious forms. A locally renowned spiced chickpea curry that grabs your taste buds and never lets go.
Why does Amritsar love chole so much?
This is probably just one of the things as a breakfast, maybe not the whole thing, so watch out for that. It's just Punjabi street food.
Amritsar is best known for its spices. You know, they make it from their hand, directly from field to the kitchen.
In this town, chickpeas are in fashion, and who better to show me the wild world of chole than fashion blogger Diksha.
So he puts on some more butter?
Ghee, it's ghee.
Guys, calm down, it's ghee.
We'll meet a chef putting his life on the line for our taste buds.
Oh, he puts it in my hand?
Yes.
This guy is insane.
I'll be introduced to some never-before-seen ingredients.
What kind of pickle is that? It looks like a little chicken egg.
And even iconic street food that dates back to the Hindustan era,
that
when
bread.
Pakistan and India were one.
Ooh, that looks super.
That looks good.
The recipe
Nice soft
is
pita
before
bread.
the partition of India and Pakistan.
Today we're going on a food tour so epic, even paparazzi can't help but get a peek of the action. Let's chole. Location 1 is bringing the heat. Perfect for cooking the best bread I've ever laid lips on in India. But first, fashion.
As a person of fashion, what do you think about my headband?
It's looking good. It's different.
Is it something that you would try?
Yeah, I would love to.
Okay, I didn't expect any of that. Aside from fashion, today we are getting into food, especially chole. Chole is a chickpea curry, right?
Yeah.
This dish is famous all over the city. Why does Amritsar love chole so much?
Because chole are full of spices.
Will I be able to handle it, Mr. White Bread here?
Yes.
It's not just about the chole. You need a multitude of breads to eat it with.
It's called kulcha.
Kulcha.
It's made of white flour. They serve best kulcha, I think. Very tasty, buttery.
Basically, after this location, you can stop watching because we went to the best one first. All right, let's go. Here, the bread making operation is underway.
This is the white flour dough, the maida. Then they'll do the stuffing there. The stuffing is of potatoes, onions, and spices.
Oh, so this is stuffed. It's not just bread.
This is called kulcha. Bread stuffed with boiled potatoes, onion, grated cauliflower, coriander leaves, and green chilies. Once stuffed and flung over to the cooking station, this insane man risks his extremities in order to roast it up in a fiery hot tandoor oven.
This is the tandoor where they are cooked.
And inside, there is a ton of bread. It is insanely hot. Oh, he puts it in my hand?
Yes.
This man has no hair on his arm. It is so hot, it's all been burned off. I think you should try sticking one of the breads in there. Do you think you can do it? You don't want to burn the hair off your arms? Okay, I'm gonna try it, guys. Bam, 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 bam. Yes?
Be careful. Be careful. You did it.
I got it. All right, it's pretty good. Good? It's good.
Once the bread is cooked, it is slathered in butter. But our meal is still missing the main course.
We've got our kulcha, and here is the chole.
Chole is made with chickpeas, and then it's all about the spices, including green chilies, chana masala, red chili powder, garam masala, and dry mango powder.
Mango is dried, and then it's left under sun for some time. Then they just make a spice out of it.
That sounds good to me. Let's try it out. We've got our chole, we've got our chutney, and we need to assemble it. Oh, we put it inside.
Yes, this is how we eat it.
They put a busload of butter on here. I will be really amazed if you can keep your white shirt white the whole day. Do you think you can?
Yes, I can.
Okay, let's eat. So we're mixing our chutney with the chole. We have to make a little vessel from our bread, pour in the chole. We have to eat this 3 more times today. Can you do it? All right, cheers. That is unlike any chole I've ever had. Buttery, rich, toasty, flaky bread, and then the masala, which is kind of gentle. Really good spice. It is so perfect. This is one of those meals that makes you forget that you're eating vegetarian food. Wow. I don't feel like I'm missing anything. Good choice.
Ooh. I'm very curious. That bread looks so good.
This next place is like a short order fast food joint. And these guys are fast. And you gotta be fast too if you're hoping to get served.
This place is really competitive. You gotta be quick.
If you do manage to make it to the front of the counter, you'll witness pure magic.
Do you know what is so special about the chole here?
It's all about spices.
So very good chole, good masala. What kind of bread are we getting?
We are going to eat matki.
What is that?
It's something crunchy and it's fried.
So they're making it right down here. He puts it together in about 2 seconds. Is the crunchy one on the bottom?
Yes, this is called matki and these are the chane.
What is chane?
Chole and chane are the one and same thing.
Oh, same thing. So they put this cracker on the bottom and then they put on some chane, a little onion, some chilies, and don't forget the chutney. Sir, thank you. Let's go eat.
Interesting.
So we've got our dish right here. I noticed they gave me 2 chilies, but why don't you have any chilies?
I don't like chilies.
You don't like spicy food? Oh.
Very spicy, I can't.
Okay, this is a pickle?
Yes.
What kind of pickle is that? It looks like a little chicken egg.
It's called amla.
What vegetable is it?
Amla.
It's called amla?
Yeah.
Great, and here's a Google image of that. Oh, it's very fragrant, very pickly. What kind of crazy vegetable is this? Here again, Google images. So if you didn't see it the first time, that's what we're eating right now. But the pickled version.
This thing is great.
Super savory, super heavy. So we're gonna break that crispy shell on the bottom. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Cheers. That is very rich, very heavy.
Very crispy. It's fried.
Right, crispy, fried kind of bread. Would you even call it a cracker, maybe?
Cracker.
Would you call me a cracker? Thank you so much. I'm gonna get another big bite. Here we go. The cracker is soaking up all that chole. Super savory. It's kind of like making the cracker half crispy, half soggy on the inside. The onion in there, very oniony. Is this like kind of Indian fast food?
Basically, it's breakfast for everyone. It's so affordable. This plate comes with only 10 rupees.
So that's the breakfast.
An unexpected breakfast. It's very energy packed.
I can't imagine eating that for breakfast.
No, it's very different.
Especially if it's spicy.
Yeah. I don't know if I've literally ever had anything spicy for breakfast.
I don't think I have either. I don't think so. That would be very interesting.
The probably spiciest that's ever been on a breakfast I've had is maybe onions, and I don't know when that would be. If you call onions spicy, they're not.
I don't think there's anything I've had that ever would have been spicy for breakfast.
Yeah.
Ever.
Our next location offers a dish akin to taking a bite of history, with a recipe that predates the Hindustan era.
We have reached our 3rd destination right behind us. And guys, I hope you're not sick of chole, because we're having some more chole. What's so special about this place?
We are going to have biga hua kulcha. It's called drenched kulcha. Kulcha wet in chane. The recipe is before the partition of India and Pakistan, so this is very unique.
Pakistan and India were one country called Hindustan. Is that right?
Yes.
When did that division happen? Do you know?
1947.
Yeah. Should we go try some?
Yeah.
We're in line here, and I'm not a host, I'm just a regular guy in line for food. Hi there. Okay, I don't know how this works. He's wearing completely all white.
Like me.
Just like you. That confidence here. The control and precision to be able to work all day with these kind of brown sauces and just be flawless like an angel. It's amazing. Do they have just one thing on the menu here?
No, they have like matti chane also.
Which one are we getting?
We are getting biga one.
Oh, this one. Okay, so he puts the bread inside this huge bowl of chickpeas, puts the bread back onto a plate, more chole on top, then onion, a chili,
There's
a
so
pickle.
much food on these things.
Chutney. Oh,
They just
that is
douse them,
heavy.
like,
It's really soaked up
8-9
in sauce. Let's go eat it. Here it is.
Wow.
Biga hua kulcha. Drenched kulcha.
Oh, I like that. And it is wet. It is heavy. This thing is massive, as in it has a lot of mass. Do you like eating with your hands or not?
Let's eat with spoon, no?
You prefer a spoon? Me too. I got a tiny bite right here, and I like to just get a little bit of a taste.
Tiny bite.
My audience loves a guy who takes big bites. I like food. Ready? Ow. It's a nice bread. The last place was very crispy. This is kind of doughy.
And it has no ghee in it.
Can I request ghee?
Yeah, you can
Okay. The masala tastes a bit similar
like,
to the
yeah.
last one.
The kulcha is different.
Right. We're not shooting the same thing twice in a row. We're shooting it 4 times in a row, not twice. I want to see how big of a bite you can take. We all know that you are amazing at taking really small bites. Is that... My audience is feeling heartbroken and disappointed. They really appreciate a big bite. That's pretty big. Can you do it and save your lipstick too? Okay, go for it. Boom.
Indian cooking styles are just as versatile as the food itself, from street side stalls to mobile bicycle restaurants. And this man is delivering a tour de France of flavor.
We're at our final chole destination. What dishes is he serving here?
He's serving bun chane. It's an Indian burger.
Bun is like a hamburger bun?
Yeah, bun, and we put chanes inside. That's called chole.
Bun chole. That's easy to remember. How do you order it?
Do bun chane the do bhaiya.
Bun chane. Here's the bun, here's the chane or chole. Put it together and you've got...
So these are the buns.
So he puts on
It's
some
so
butter.
interesting to have a
Guys, calm down.
burger
It's
with
bean.
like
So inside here, I
nuts in
see
it.
bean
Yeah.
and I see
These
potato.
are boiled chane.
Yeah.
We put in some potatoes, onions, salt, chaat masala. And this is the chutney.
What kind of chutney?
Imli, yeah. Mint.
Is he gonna kind of mash that up?
He's going to mix it.
Oh, turn
Looks
the
good,
buns,
though.
and then he's got this nice little machine here for squeezing in
crispy
some
bun.
fresh citrus.
It is
Now
a
he's stuffing
crispy
the
bun.
I like them
hamburger bun
toasted.
with the chole. Thank you, sir. So we have our Indian burger here. I'm gonna
Whoa.
show you, Kai, right here. I mean,
Wow,
would you take a
loaded.
look at the beauty? That is all that stuffing in here. Crispy on the outside, toasted in that ghee. I'm so pumped. We're gonna try it out. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go for it.
The bite
A
comparison.
lot of flavor. That is super salty. Maybe a little too salty for me, but I really like the
Salty.
big chunks of onion in there, and it's a little crunchy.
Potatoes.
And the potato too. What kind of people are eating here?
Normally the college girls.
Just anybody who wants a cheap treat. 14 cents only. And I do like the bread.
Jeez.
It's very nice on there. It's very convenient. You could drive to school while eating this.
Who's going to shoot then?
That's a good point. Right.
we could literally live with food in India on like
With how
50 cents a
satiating,
day.
filling, and
Yeah,
just
that's
plain
insane.
satisfying all this food is, it's hard for a meat lover like me to believe all we ate today was pure vegetarian. If you have a chance, don't miss the tandoori kulcha with about half a stick of butter. Taste-wise, it's like looking into the eyes of God.
Wow.
Oh.
What a treat getting to tour all
That's a
this
good description
chole
of
with
it.
you.
I want
Want to do
to-
a shirt check?
Ta-da!
Steam
then-
free. That's pretty good. You made it through 4
the other
locations
side.
of this soupy brown food and ended up clean on the other side. If you want to check out more about Diksha, she is on Instagram right here. Thank you so much for joining me today. And for you guys, this video was made possible by One Trip Vietnam.
Wow. Okay. That's an interesting breakfast. Not what I was expecting at that one fast food place. Or I guess they're all kind of the same dish, so that's what you guys eat for breakfast.
Yeah, wow. Okay. That would be
Interesting.
very different of breakfast.
Spicy. Just
Spicy
get a
and,
little burn in the morning.
and soupy too.
Yeah.
I guess soup sometimes is a breakfast thing.
Oatmeal can be soupy.
Can be. It looked solid though.
Yeah, I'm very interested, especially that first one with the stuffed bread. That could be very, very good. That one looked, and the butteriness will definitely affect me negatively.
Yeah, probably
but
me
it will
as
taste
well.
good.
It would taste
Very
so
good.
good. All the ingredients on top.
Yes. And yeah, I'm pretty interested in seeing some of this stuff in the real life.
In the real life, indeed.
The closest thing to like soupiness that we have is cereal. But is cereal a soup?
I mean, you don't really drink the most people don't drink the liquid. And I feel like when you have a soup, the point of it is to drink the liquid.
I don't usually drink the liquid in soup. I guess I don't usually really eat soup.
Yeah, I don't either.
Yeah. I mean, the closest thing is cereal and oatmeal.
Yeah.
And
But when I make oatmeal, I use just enough to where it's not like there's not a ton of liquid at the bottom.
I've seen people eat oatmeal where it's like super milky. That's interesting.
I've done that before. Like I accidentally put too much milk in it, but then I just drained it out. I'm like, eh.
But yeah, they're very different cultures. Very different foods that we eat in the mornings. And yeah, see you in the next one. Hopefully you enjoyed. Subscribe if you did, like the video if you did. Bye.